head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles. There may come a time when you get to your ride that the bike does not accept your key fob. To turn your bike on, this is probably the cause of a low key fob battery. It would be advisable to change your key fob battery, which is an easy process. But who carries a spare lithium 3-volt battery in their pocket? So to get you out of this situation, this video on the 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters models, GK and U range, will show you where to place your key FOB on the antenna induction location, therefore enabling you to proceed with your journey. But don't forget to purchase a new key fob battery as soon as possible. They are widely available. Check the expiry date on the battery before purchase. And always buy a well-known branded battery like Duracell to ensure its quality. Happy riding. Till next time, MADMICK.
If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, MADMICK.